Mouth stomatitis. Stomatitis is inflammation of the lining of the mouth that can cause painful sores. It can affect the lips, gums, tongue, cheeks, and throat. Red patches, mouth ulcers, blisters, peeling, swelling, numbness, and burning mouth syndrome. Puputi-puti yung bibig. So, ang cause niya, viral or bacterial infection, diseases, poor oral hygiene. So, bacterial siya. Sabihin, pag hindi laging nagtututbrush. Pero pag sa baby siguro, may kulangot ka, bebe. Allergic reactions, cancer treatment, side effects. So, treatment, pain medicines, special mouth rinses, quitting products that may be causing the sores, and treating the underlying condition. Prevention using an antiseptic and non-alcoholic mouthwash. Treating chronic dry mouth using a soft toothbrush. Maintaining proper nutrition and hydration, and receiving routine dental care. Complications: intraoral scarring, restriction of oral mobility, and systemic effects. How long does it last? Common and less serious forms of stomatitis resolve over days or weeks. Dito sa anak namin, 2 days na siya ngayon. Wala siyang gana. Mahilig kumain to pero ngayon wala talaga siyang ganang kumain. Pag makasubo siya ng isa, yun lang, inaayawan niya na yung mga susunod na subo. Tapos minsan umiiyak siya, hawak-hawak niya yung bibig niya. Tapos naglalaway. So niresetahan kami ng pangalan nung parang gel siya, oral gel. Doctor, your doctor may prescribe pain medicines or special mouth rinses. You may be told to quit using some products. Maybe cause niresetahan kami ng yung tawag doon, paracetamol, para lang daw pag hindi talaga makaya yung sakit, at least ma-minimize. At saka yung Allerkid at ano nito, Dactarin, Miconazole, Dactarin. What is the main cause of stomatitis? What causes stomatitis? The causes of it depend on the specific subtype. Herpes stomatitis commonly caused by the herpes virus. So, what deficiency causes stomatitis? Recurrent up to stomatitis can also result from nutritional deficiencies, particular lack of iron, vitamin B3 as in pellagra, vitamin C as in scurvy, folic acid, or vitamin B12. What food causes stomatitis? Acidic food, cinnamon flavoring, or astringents may be particularly irritating, as can certain ingredients in common substances such as toothpaste. Toothpaste. Ito lang ito lumabas nung sunod-sunod na kaming nagtututbrush sa kanya nung gamit yung Kiko na toothpaste. Siguro palit kami ng toothpaste. Avoid foods and drinks that make mouth sores worse. Avoid citrus fruits and juices, salty, spicy food, and acidic food like tomatoes. What vitamins are good for stomatitis? Abstract. Which fruit is rich in vitamin B12? Bananas, oranges, mangoes, strawberries. Recently pa naman, pinakain ko siyang apple. Will stomatitis go away? You're diagnosed with herpes. You have it for life. Your body has no way of getting rid of the virus. Herpes stomatitis. Ito malala na to. Can salt water cure stomatitis? At the home remedy can also be used to ease discomfort from mouth sores while aiding the recovery process. Salt water speeds wound healing by reducing inflammation and bacteria in the mouth. So salt water pa rin, pero since baby, hindi mo siya mapapamumog ng salt and water. Days or months. Pwede rin palang lumala itong stomatitis na to. Natin yung images. So ito nga yun. Pero yung sa anak namin, hindi pa siya ganito. Parang puti-puti lang, nagbabaklas-baklas. Hindi pa siya nagpupula. Ito parang ganito. Puti-puti pa lang. Ewan ko lang kung magpo-progress siya sa pula pag katagalan. Sana hindi na.